Afternoon everyone, London Auto Lads here. What are you saying for today? We got a Polo here, your everyday Polo, 2017 model. We got a dent here which I'm going to do at a later stage once I strip the bar and the rear lamp there. So first of all, we're going to open up the tailgate. And if you have a look behind, you've got this little carpet section here. You've got to turn to the left, or right, sorry. Pull that down and you've got a plastic fixing in there, if you can see that. Basically they're just hand tight, there's one of them. So you turn that to the left a few times. While I'm doing this, you can listen to the beats we got going on for you. Keep turning it to the left anti-clockwise. If you want to change your bulbs, this is how you do it. So anyone at home can do this. Right, so now that's out, that's a little bit loose, but it won't pull forward. What you want to do is you get a plastic pry bar here, slide that in the side so you don't damage your paintwork, and just slide that out nicely. If you have a look in here, your wiring loom, you've got a very small red tab there. You've got to prise that forward. You've got to slide that red clip a little bit to the right like that, and then on top of it, you push that down, and at the same time pull your light towards you, and that's come out. So at some stage, if you wanted to take out your bulbs, you've got the tab there, and you lift it up. Another one down here. Come over here, I'll show you. Pry that forward. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 at the bottom. That releases your circuit board there, so any light you want to change, any bulb, which these ones are good. There's no breakages in the system, and there you go. Thanks for joining us today. We're London Auto Lads. Like and subscribe when you get the chance. See you soon.